There comes a moment in every person's life when excuses become heavier than effort. Most people never recognize that moment. They continue living the same day over and over, calling it a different year. They wake up with the same fears, repeat the same habits, and wonder why nothing changes. But the truth is simple. Your life is not waiting for permission to move forward. Time keeps moving, whether you grow or not. Every sunrise asks you one silent question. Will you become stronger today, or will you remain the same? The ancient Stoics understood something that modern society often forgets. Your greatest enemy is rarely another person. It is the version of yourself that keeps choosing comfort over courage. Every day you postpone change, you train your mind to accept less than you're capable of. You tell yourself that tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. Eventually, your dreams become memories of things you never even tried. Look into your own life. How many opportunities disappeared because fear spoke louder than action? How many goals were abandoned because the first obstacle felt too difficult? How many promises did you make to yourself only to break them before the day ended? The Stoics believed that character is built one decision at a time, not during easy moments, not when everything goes according to plan. Character is forged when life becomes uncomfortable. Anyone can smile when life is easy. Anyone can feel confident when everything works perfectly. But can you remain committed when nobody believes in you? Can you keep walking when progress is invisible? Can you continue when every excuse sounds reasonable? That is where transformation begins. Stop waiting for life to become easier. Life was never designed to remove every obstacle from your path. Obstacles exist to reveal who you truly are. Every challenge is asking the same question: will you grow or will you surrender? Most people surrender long before reaching their true potential, not because they lack talent, because they lose the battle inside their own minds. Today can become the day everything changes, not because circumstances suddenly improve, but because you decide that your standards are no longer negotiable. Your future is watching every decision you make today. Become the person your future self will thank, because no one else can live your life for you, and no one else can make the decision that only you are capable of making.
The greatest prison in the world is invisible. It has no walls, no chains, and no locked doors. Yet millions of people spend their entire lives trapped inside it. That prison is an undisciplined mind. Before you can change your life, you must first change the conversations happening inside your head. Every action begins with a thought. Every habit begins with a belief. Every success begins with the decision to reject the voice that says, "I can't." The Stoics taught that the mind should be your servant, not your master. But most people allow their emotions to control every decision they make. If they feel tired, they stop. If they feel afraid, they avoid the challenge. If they fail once, they convince themselves they were never meant to succeed. This is how ordinary lives are created, not by one terrible decision, but by thousands of small moments where fear quietly wins. Ask yourself something honestly. Who is speaking inside your mind every day? Is it the voice of courage or the voice of comfort? Comfort will always offer convincing arguments. It can wait. You deserve a break. Tomorrow is a better day to start. It sounds harmless, but repeated often enough, those words slowly steal your future. The Stoic philosopher understood that thoughts are like seeds. Plant resentment and bitterness will grow. Plant discipline, and strength will follow. Plant gratitude, and peace begins to replace anxiety. You cannot expect a powerful life while feeding your mind weakness every single day. Guard your attention carefully. Not everything deserves your energy. Not every opinion deserves your reaction. Not every criticism deserves your response. The strongest people are not those who answer every insult. They are the ones who know what is worth their attention and what is not. Each morning, remind yourself of one truth. You control your choices. You control your effort. You control your attitude. Everything else belongs to life. When you stop trying to control what is beyond your reach, your mind becomes lighter. When your mind becomes lighter, your actions become stronger. And when your actions become stronger, your future begins to change. The battle is never outside first. It is always within. Win the battle inside your own mind, and the outside world slowly begins to reflect that victory. Because the person who conquers himself fears very little. That is the beginning of real freedom.
Most people believe that one big mistake ruins a life. The truth is far more dangerous. A life is rarely destroyed by one dramatic decision. It is slowly shaped by small habits repeated every single day. Every morning you choose distraction over purpose. Every evening you choose comfort over growth. You cast another vote for the person you're becoming. The tragedy is that habits never announce their consequences immediately. Miss one workout, nothing seems different. Waste 1 hour, life appears unchanged. Delay one important decision, the world keeps spinning. But weeks become months, months become years, and suddenly you wonder where your potential disappeared. The Stoics understood that discipline is not punishment, it is freedom. Because when your habits are strong, your emotions no longer control your direction. Imagine two people standing at the same starting line. One waits until inspiration arrives, the other acts whether inspiration appears or not. After a year, their lives no longer look the same, not because one had more talent, but because one respected consistency more than comfort. Ask yourself honestly, what habits are quietly stealing your future? Is it endless scrolling, constant procrastination, negative thinking, seeking approval from people who don't truly care about your growth? Every repeated action becomes part of your identity. You don't become confident by wishing for confidence. You become confident by doing difficult things again and again until fear loses its power. The same is true for discipline. It is not a personality trait. It is a practice. Every small promise you keep to yourself strengthens your character. Every promise you break weakens your trust in yourself. This is why successful people protect their routines, not because routines are exciting, but because they understand that ordinary actions create extraordinary results. Tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself one question. If I repeat today 365 times, would I be proud of the person I become? If the answer is no, don't wait for another year. Change tomorrow by changing today. Because your future isn't hidden somewhere far away. It's already being built by what you repeatedly choose to do. Master your habits, and eventually, you'll master your destiny. There is a painful truth that few people are willing to accept. Not everyone who enters your life is meant to stay. Some people are lessons, some are blessings, and some are simply distractions disguised as companions. The Stoics believed that peace is too valuable to trade for constant chaos. Yet many people spend years protecting relationships that slowly destroy their confidence. They remain in places where their dreams are mocked. They continue conversations that drain their energy. They keep explaining themselves to people who have already decided not to understand them. Every minute spent fighting for the approval of the wrong people is a minute stolen from building the life you truly want. Look carefully at your environment. Who surrounds you when you decide to improve yourself? Do they encourage your growth, or do they remind you of the person you used to be? Some people become uncomfortable the moment you stop accepting an average life. Your discipline exposes their excuses. Your ambition challenges their comfort. Instead of growing with you, they try to pull you back to where they feel safe. Do not mistake familiarity for loyalty. Real loyalty never asks you to become smaller. Real friendship never fears your success. The strongest relationships are built on mutual growth, not mutual stagnation. But this lesson isn't only about other people. Sometimes the greatest burden you carry is an old identity. The identity that says, "I'm not good enough. I always fail. This is just who I am." Those thoughts are not facts. They are stories you've repeated for so long that they began to sound like the truth. The Stoics reminded themselves every day that character is not fixed. You are not imprisoned by your past. You are shaped by your present choices. Walk away from habits that poison your future. Walk away from unnecessary conflict. Walk away from endless comparison. Walk away from the need to please everyone. Every step away from weakness is a step toward freedom. Remember, protecting your peace is not selfish. Protecting your focus is not arrogance. Protecting your future is responsibility. You cannot carry every person, every opinion, and every burden while expecting to climb higher. Travel becomes easier when you stop carrying what was never yours to begin with. Choose people who inspire honesty. Choose environments that challenge your potential. Choose a life where your actions speak louder than your excuses. Because sometimes the bravest decision is not to fight harder. It's to walk away from what keeps making you weaker. And the moment you do, you create space for a stronger version of yourself to finally emerge.
One day you will pause and look back on your life. On that day, your memories will not ask how many excuses you had. They will ask one question. Did you become the person you were capable of becoming? Life is always moving. Every hour that passes is an hour that can never be reclaimed. The Stoics never feared the passing of time, they feared wasting it. They understood that each sunrise was a gift, but also a reminder that life is limited. That is why they refused to postpone becoming better. Remember this, your future is not built by one extraordinary day. It is built by ordinary days lived with extraordinary intention. Every difficult choice you make today strengthens the person you will become tomorrow. Every promise you keep to yourself builds confidence that no one can take away. Every setback you survive teaches a lesson success never could. You do not need to become perfect. Perfection is an illusion. Progress is real. If today you become just a little wiser than yesterday, a little stronger than yesterday, a little more disciplined than yesterday, then you are already winning. Never measure your journey against someone else's timeline. Some people bloom early. Others bloom after years of silent struggle. The only race that truly matters is the one between who you are now and who you could become. Do not fear failure. Fear living the same year over and over while convincing yourself that things will somehow change. Because they won't. Change begins the moment you decide that your standards are higher than your excuses. There will be days when the road feels lonely. Walk anyway. There will be moments when progress seems invisible. Continue anyway. There will be seasons when nobody believes in your vision. Believe in it anyway. History is filled with ordinary people who chose extraordinary consistency. Not because life was easy, but because quitting was no longer an option. From this moment forward, stop asking whether the world believes in you. Ask whether you believe enough in yourself to keep moving when the world stays silent. Stand up. Take responsibility for your choices. Guard your mind. Protect your time. Honor your word. Build your character, one decision at a time. Years from now, people may admire the life you create. They may call you fortunate. They may say you were born different. But only you will know the truth. You will remember the mornings you refused to surrender, the evenings you kept working while others gave up, the silent battles that no one ever witnessed. That is where real strength is born, not in applause, not in comfort, but in the quiet decision to keep going when stopping would have been easier. So let this be the day you stop waiting. The day you stop negotiating with fear. The day you choose action over excuses. Because the greatest transformation never begins with luck. It begins with one decision. A decision to become better than you were yesterday. Keep moving. Keep learning. Keep building. And no matter how difficult the road becomes, never stop becoming the person your future is waiting to meet.